Welcome to the Leaf Solution Xtreme Guard under shingle mount installation video. As you will see, our Xtreme Guard panel can be easily mounted under the first row of your existing asphalt shingles. Let's get started.
Here we have a fascia mount bracket which is already perfectly set for the under shingle mount panel. If you had a gutter strap, that might be an issue. You may need to solve that problem, and sometimes you may actually even need to rehang certain sections of the gutter. But here, this bracket going into the fascia, ready to go. My under shingle panel, in this case Xtreme Guard, just sits right in there, ready to rock. Just keep in mind, you may need to adjust the gutter in certain circumstances. Okay, in the event that I had to cut an extreme under shingle mount panel on the site, square, draw a line across here, real straightforward. Regular pair of snips. Now, if your snips are nice and sharp, you usually get right through this stuff. The trick with snips is just making room, right? Okay. Now, in this situation, I'm going to take my Xtreme panel, alright, and I'm just going to test fit it here. So we're going under these shingles, which I've already got up. Okay, there's Xtreme undermount. Fits perfectly. Okay, now there's my cut side. Okay, there you go. Keep that a 1/16 of an inch back. There's my cut I just made. So now we're going to make our seam here. So I'm going to measure 1 inch back. Remember, all I'm doing is leaving 1 inch of mesh. Okay, come at it from this way. Now while I'm here, open this up. Put all this back. This mesh is pretty strong, so it does take a little work to get it cut sometimes. Okay, and then here, just cutting the aluminum away, you can get at this, right? Cut all this away. Now, bend this back, okay? Now cut half of this off. Okay? Make sure this is clean. Now, take this mesh, bend it over, nice and flat. Okay. Now, come back to here, and move this down a little. All right, now Put my dab of sealant here. Again, this is your under shingle mount. Going right over, up to the gutter. Put that one under. There's my seam. Ready to rock. Laying nice and flat. I got sealant in the front, a 1/16 of an inch back. Okay, put some screws in. 4 screws per 5 feet. These are just some sample sections. Self-tapping screws make this really easy. Really nice how easily these screws go in. That's Xtreme Guard, ready to rock.
For more information on Xtreme Guard or any of the Leaf Solution Gutter Guard products, please visit leafsolution.com, and thanks for watching.